Are you looking for ways to make money from the comfort of your own home? Today, I'll be sharing with you 10 proven methods that can help you do just that. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent or someone looking for some extra income, these strategies can work for you. Number 1. Start a profitable blog. Blogging can be a great way to make money online, by monetizing your content and attracting advertisers. Number 2. Become a freelance writer. Many companies are constantly looking for talented writers to create content for their websites and blogs. Number 3. Take online surveys. Some companies are willing to pay you for sharing your opinions through online surveys. Number 4. Become a virtual assistant. You can offer your administrative and organizational skills to busy professionals who need assistance. Number 5. Sell your crafts online. If you are talented at making handmade items, you can set up an online shop and sell your products. Number 6. Offer online tutoring services. If you have expertise in a specific subject, you can tutor students from the comfort of your own home. Number 7. Become an affiliate marketer. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission, you can make money from the sales you generate. Number 9. Become an online consultant. If you have knowledge and expertise in a particular field, you can offer consultations to clients worldwide. Number 10. Sell products online. You can start an e-commerce business and sell physical or digital products to customers all around the world. Remember, these methods may require time and effort, so don't expect instant results. Always do thorough research before getting started. Disclaimer: the information given in this video is for educational purposes only. Results may vary. It's important to do your own due diligence before starting any online business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated with new content. Click the link in the description below for more detailed information on these methods as well as resources to help you get started. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more informative tips soon. In the meantime, remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell icon for future updates.